Hello everyone, this is going to be an unboxing, a little review of some work gloves I got for winter. I got two packages, so I don't know which ones it is because I got two different pairs. So I'm gonna see. Okay, so these are the VGO one pair safety gloves, builder gloves, gardening gloves, light, medium, duty, mechanic gloves. So I got medium, I got little. My hands are rather fast. Usually medium. I can wear large, but medium just fits better. I got this for winter. This seems okay, they look good. I don't see any stitching problems or anything too crazy. Not too bad. The good thing is that you can okay, let's see. Medium. Yes, nice and snug. Let's see. Fits good. I like the little Velcro because it keeps because with the regular gloves that don't have the Velcro, they'll slide forward. They're like rolled up. Let's see. Okay. So the VGOs, I got these for like 15 bucks. Hopefully they last more than a week. They have the nice padding. Let me try to do delicate things. Okay, I can feel the things. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can put this camera in here. Okay, let's see. Trying to see if I can do, because I don't work with like, I'm not a carpenter. I work with like sometimes small things, cutting and sawing. Okay, not too bad, not too bulky. It's not that hot here. It's probably like 70 degrees, and I feel my hands might sweat soon. So for winter, this is pretty good. Seems like the wood get wet in snow. They don't feel plasticky. Yeah, this is not plastic here neither. So for snow, if you're walking around snow, it might get wet pretty fast. Like I have this other kind of winter gloves. This is just plastic, but they're not as good. They don't feel as good to touch when you're trying to do something small, something more specific. A little tippy, but this is just plastic. It's like a tire. So you don't get them too wet, but these look alright as long as you don't get them wet too much. It should work. Got a little Velcro so no air can get inside. I can do well, I can feel the small things, so it should work. To measure and do things. Not too bulky. I need to try them in the cold weather, actually work with them, see exactly if they work and how long they last. But for now, it seems like they'll be okay. It'll last me at least a couple of weeks, I'll say. For $15, it seems like a lot. Because I can buy the ones that look like tires, like a couple pairs for like 20 bucks. But we'll see how long they last, and I'm pretty sure you can wash them. The best thing is like you can, as long as it doesn't rip, you can keep using them. Okay, this was that look cool. This VGO gloves. Is this light to medium duty? That's a little not good because I do medium to heavy. But I have to try them out. If they rip too quickly, then yeah, they're definitely not worth 15 bucks for actual work, like construction work. But for now, they got to me okay. They look good. They feel hot. They feel like it would actually protect you against the cold. And it was decent. A little overpriced, but if you're doing light to medium, this should be good. This should last you quite a bit. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.